much it's hard for me to get the energy to actually be able to work out. So that's not be listening to them people that be telling you don't season your food. Hi guys, I'm Lovey and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Tomato. If you haven't already, girl, don't forget to subscribe, like this video of course, and drop something into the comments. So we about to jump into this video today. We're going to be talking about the top weight loss hacks. So we're going to be talking about the top 11 weight loss hacks that I think that worked. So recently, recently, if you guys don't know, I just gave birth to my daughter in February. I gave birth to her and I did attempt breastfeeding. It didn't work out for me, and as any other mom, I'm a mom that's looking to lose weight after gaining, I think maybe like 80 pounds. So I pretty much, I'm going to be very honest with you guys, I pretty much gained all my, not all, but like pretty much majority of my weight back except for a few pounds. So I started working out in like April, and prior to that I was working out every day for the past 4 years. I lost over 114 pounds, and so far I have lost 30 pounds since the start of my weight loss journey after giving birth to my daughter. So I'm just here to share these tips with you guys that I know that works for sure for anyone, right? These are tips that work for moms. If you're not a mom, just someone just looking to lose weight, if you're a guy or a girl, these tips are going to work for you, okay? Weight loss hack number 1, which is my favorite, which is intermittent fasting. I absolutely love intermittent fasting. As soon as I started implementing intermittent fasting into my weight loss, I started seeing the pounds drop immediately compared to me just eating healthy. Of course, this is my personal opinion and this is how I feel. So yes, number 1 is intermittent fasting. If you don't know what intermittent fasting is, intermittent fasting is literally a pattern of eating and a pattern of not eating. So I'm just going to explain it to you. Pretty much the normal, they have a few different types of intermittent fasting. So pretty much what I do is alternate day fasting, and I eat every 36 hours. So I eat on Tuesdays, I eat on Thursdays, and I eat on the weekends. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I do not eat, okay? There are 3 different types of intermittent fasting. I do alternate day fasting. I prefer to eat during the weekends. So you have the 16-8 intermittent fasting, the 24 intermittent fasting, alternate day fasting, and OMAD, which is when you just do 1 meal a day. So all these tips works, all these different types of intermittent fasting work. I should say, I said tips, but all these different types of intermittent fasting does work. So if you guys want to see more, you guys want to hear more about intermittent fasting, I have a lot of vlogs on my intermittent fasting, like my weekly intermittent fasting. I have a lot of vlogs on that, so you guys can actually go back and look at that. And I have a lot of older videos where I actually go in depth about intermittent fasting, and I kind of do like intermittent fasting, intermittent fasting for beginners, okay? So number 2, of course, is working out. Even when you're a beginner, working out at least 3 to 5 days out the week. Working out one day out the week is not enough. Because there's 7 days in a week, you want to at least work out 3 days out of 7 days in a week if you're a beginner. If you're intermediate, I will push it to 3-4 days. If you're someone like me that forgot what I was trying to say. If you're someone like me that worked out before and you kind of pushed yourself, I work out 5 days a week, so I started implementing that. I work out 5 days a week, and because of course, if you're a mom, if you're a mom and you have kids at home, and even if you don't have kids at home, even when I didn't have kids, like I was just super busy all the time, and I'll just do a quick 20-minute workout. Like at least try to do a 20-minute workout a day, whether that's walking, dancing, jogging. I personally don't go to the gym. I prefer to do YouTube at-home workouts. Some people don't like working out at home, but I do because I feel like I can control what I can and what I can't do. Because I just don't have the time to go to the gym. It just doesn't work for me, time constraint wise. So the best thing for me to do is work out at home because it allows me to stay consistent. 3 is doing quick short workouts. So if you Google on YouTube or you just Google period HIIT workouts, right? You're going to see a whole bunch of quick 20-minute workouts. Plus, they have very easy advanced walking workouts for people that they don't want to just push themselves to do a crazy HIIT workout. They can do just speed walking or brisk walking for 20 minutes. Some people that I recommend on YouTube that have some really good workouts is Mr. London. Chloe Ting, she has some really good workouts. They are challenging, but she do have the low impact version. Leslie Sandstone, of course, as you guys know if you've been watching my channel, Leslie Sandstone is one of my favorites. I did a lot of her videos when I started working out. Okay, so tip number 4 is be in a caloric deficit. Why? So being in a caloric deficit will allow you to lose weight because you're not, it's science. Like if you think about it science wise, being in a caloric deficit, you're definitely going to lose weight because you're not eating 3,500 I'm sorry, my breast is itching. You're not eating like 3,500 or 4,500 calories every day. You're eating less. So you can go on Google and type in my calorie calculator, and when you type in my calorie calculator, it's gonna pop up a whole bunch of different calculators. You just hit the first one. You're gonna enter your weight, enter your current weight, enter your goal weight, and it's gonna tell you how much calories you need to eat per day. Okay. Number 5 is eat healthy, but you gotta hit your protein, your fat goal, and your carb goal. Now this is very important. When you're trying to lose weight, you have to eat a certain amount of carbohydrates. Even if you are on a low carb diet, you can get carbohydrates from like vegetables, brown rice, oatmeal, depending on what diet you're on. So it's very important that you have enough fats, and you can get fat from extra virgin, you can get fats from extra virgin olive oil. You can get it from Kerrygold butter. You can get it from a few different things. So you want to make sure that you're getting your amount of fat that you have to eat per day. Also, you want to hit your carb goal and your protein goal. You want to make sure that you're just not eating carbs and not adding that protein. So you want to have enough protein and also making sure that you have enough veggies as well. Okay, hack number 6 is pre-workout. If you're like me, girl, because I honestly I love working out, but when I first started, even to this day, like after I come home from work and I'm like doing so much, it's hard for me to get the energy to actually be able to work out. So that's why I recommend getting any kind of pre-workout and doing your research on the best pre-workout for you, because everybody's bodies is different. I personally use C4. And C4 is like bomb. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's bomb. It gives me the energy I need. I drink it about 20 to 30 minutes before I work out, and I make sure I drink that because it's gonna give you that energy to work out, where it's gonna help you with your weight loss goals. Number 7, waist train for 4 hours, then 8 hours a day. Why do I recommend waist training? This is my personal opinion. Waist training, along with eating healthy and working out, waist training for 4 to 8 hours a day. Eventually, if I would suggest to y'all, like, I would start with 4 hours and then I would increase it up to 8 hours. So waist training will naturally help your waistline get smaller. It also helps you with good back support. So I really do recommend. It's gonna get that snatch weights without going to the doctor and paying thousands of dollars to get a BBL. Okay. Tip number 8 is detox your body. Yeah. So after eating bad, eating carbs, eating all this junk food, you want to go on a detox. So prior, like a few times when I first started my weight loss, I did a water fast, and a water fast kind of allows my body to, well, take all the chemicals and the nasty things that's in my body. To take all the chemicals and the nasty things that's inside of my body and just get rid of it. So you can do a green smoothie cleanse, you can do a water fast, you can do whatever kind of detox you would like to do, but it's good to detox your body before you actually get into your weight loss. And then detoxing your body actually too would what's the word I'm looking for? Detoxing your body would like actually propel, like not propel, but it would like make for it will like intensify your weight loss. Like it's like your beginning phase. Like you'll lose a couple pounds, and when you really decide to get on your diet, which should be a couple days after, it's really gonna push you to lose a lot of pounds in that first couple months. Okay. Tip number 10 is cut the carbs and cut the sugar. I know it's hard, it's challenging for me. Like I eat sugar, like I wouldn't say a lot, but I try. Like I do have some sugar. I can't fully just go cold turkey, but trying to eliminate as much sugar as you would normally have, that will be good. And then cutting out carbs. So that's what I do some days. Like, you know, it's okay if you have like a cheat day or a cheat meal. Once in a blue wouldn't hurt, but you shouldn't be eating like that every single day, or even every month. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to lose weight, you have to be consistent and follow all these weight loss hacks that I'm giving you guys, okay? Cook healthy, delicious meals. Listen, y'all, I don't know who needs to hear this, but do not be listening to them people that be telling you don't season your food. No, you can season your veggies, you can season your food. You don't have to put too much salt. Just limit yourself on the salt, but you can still season your food and still enjoy healthy meals. And also I recommend meal prepping. So eating at home, cooking at home, it will save you a lot of money, girl. So you can, you know, get that new apartment, get that new car, I don't know, do whatever, you know, it will save you a lot of money. I also need to do that, which I try, but cooking at home definitely will help you save money. And then meal prepping, so that way you don't have to think about, oh, what meals do I need to eat, okay? All right, you guys, so that was pretty much my top weight loss hacks. It's not no specific order. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more weight loss videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period. Because over here, girl, we trying to lose that weight, okay? We trying to get skinny. We already skinny. We manifest, not even skinny, but we manifesting our dream body, our goal body, but you got to work towards, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Love you. Mwah.